9/27 earnings report for IBIO. Make sure you do your research on that company with IBIO, and they're continuing their progress, COVID-19 vaccine developments, many other stuff with cancer, everything else. IBIO is definitely one. Check out my other video on IBIO. They have a lot of good stuff coming out for them with fast farming, everything they're doing. Definitely a great stock. CEI on 9/28 came out and just blew out at 761 million in volume. CEI climbed major today, had a good uptick. I would expect them to continue trending up, but they're definitely hitting the market tree. So NOHO, they had a good volume today, 325 million. Definitely making moves. TGRO is another one. We're waiting on some information on them, but 110 million today. And I can personally say, I was in on them for 111,111. I definitely, all you can do is sometimes is build your bag and hold it, see what comes. It's a risk tolerance, see where your risk is. But chilling around that point, that 0005, definitely is enticing if they end up going current. Definitely could see this stock rise some. Another one was AMLH. They had some movement going today. Good to see on that company. They've definitely been lower on the volume movement, but they're starting to move some volume. So we're starting to see some of these companies after the 9/28 deadline. They're starting to make some moves. One of those was BSSP. 0007. They're up 0004. We'll see what comes through from this. Read some information up on them today. Make sure you go check them out if you're invested. They had some stuff with the name change, stuff going on. We'll have to see what all comes out in the next couple days on them. CEI, though, with Camber, linked with Viking. Check out Viking 2. I did a video on them. So when you look at CEI, they shot up 67 cents. Can't beat that on this stock. This stock was just at $1, so it's definitely had some major moves. Check out their graphs, check out their charts. Make sure you get a good entry point if you're entering in on this company. Make sure you try to catch them at a low point. NOC, Northrop Grumman. When you definitely look at stuff and you look at all the stuff going on around the world, this company is never falling short. They're always rising up. I think right now, if you catch them where they're at, I really don't think it's a bad buy-in price. And if it drops lower, buy in some more. Just leverage your price down on what you got invested and continue to do that. But I can definitely see this, I think that between the 358 and the 372 mark, I think you're doing good on Northrop Grumman. I definitely see them going up over 400 here in 2022. Definitely can see them making some major power plays in the future. They definitely, if you go back, they're definitely on that uphill trajectory. I wouldn't see this stock go back under 250. I would say that if you're holding this stock now, you probably won't see it go back under 300. I would say that this stock's probably going to hold strong above 300 and continue to climb towards that 4. When they get up towards that 4, you might see them drop back down towards that 385, 375. Then you're going to see them go back up to 415 and continue that climbing battle. But on this stock, I wouldn't see them drop below 3. I think if you're entering at 358, like I said, they happen to drop down, buy in low again, leverage your price down, cut it in half, and you'll continue to do good on this stock. SPKE with Spark Energy, they definitely had a spark today, jumping up 34 cents. They were a little over 11, but they're definitely one of those companies where I can see them heading towards that $14 mark. And then if you look at the yellow triangle, I definitely think that they have potential to be heading back towards that 19 in the future, going towards 2022. By 2023, I would plan on this stock being a $24, $25 stock, if not seen in 2022. So I definitely think that this stock has that potential gain. I'd have to go back and check, but this one might possibly have dividends. Make sure you look out for dividends on some of your stocks. It's another way to definitely boost your portfolio income, and every little bit helps on these. So make sure you go back and check their quarters. AXAS. Make sure you're doing that information on this stock. You know, they're up to $1.90 today. When I snapped this was when they're at $1.60. Didn't get a chance to make this video, but putting it out there. So they definitely have that potential to climb up. I would definitely see this stock heading towards $3 here pretty soon and doubling up. Everybody have a good Wednesday, heading into Wednesday, and hope you finish the week strong. We'll have to see what happens going into the 1st of October, but I would expect October to be a good month for some of these stocks.